This is the correct way to water your plants with a 2-foot corrugated drain pipe to collect rainwater. This is the best method I have found to water your plants. If it doesn't rain, water it, and if it does rain, the 2-foot corrugated drain pipe will collect the water. Again, this is the best method of watering your plants. Make sure you make a little ring, dig about 3 or 4 inches around so it'll collect the water. Again, this is the best method for watering your plants. This only takes me less than 5 minutes to water my plants.